Hello everyone, my name is Ekapum Kanaina. My student number is 671302240 from the Konkan campus. Today I will talk about my internship and my future career. I did my internship at a 7-Eleven convenience store at the Patuna branch in Konkan. I worked as a cashier at the counter, and I was also responsible for ranking delivery orders. From this internship, I learned many useful skills. I learning how to calculate payments at the cashier and how to manage delivery orders. I also learning how to order product for the store, how to sell products to customers, and how to work well as team. At this session, I learning a lot about the working life of adults. In the future, I would like to work as a 7-Eleven store inspector for checking store standards, or what employee call checklist 7-Eleven. I am interested in this job because I feel it will give me a chance to gain new experiments and visit new places I have never been to before. Traveling to inspect 7-Eleven brands across the country sounds like a fun and exciting job to me. As for my strengths, I believe that when I make a mistake and someone point it out or give me advice, I always try to better next time. I see every mistake as a chance to improve myself. Thank you for watching my presentation.